Counterclockwise, rotating to the left. We describe rotation like the hands of an old-school analog clock. Clocks turn to the right as a normal course of action, and we then call this clockwise. If time were to spin backward, we could call this turning to the left, or counterclockwise. The hands of a clock rotate based on a center of rotation. The degree of rotation is defined as a number of degrees. If we say that a shape is rotated counterclockwise, 90 degrees, about the origin, then we can know to where a shape will move from its current position. Counterclockwise is rotating to the left. Antonyms: clockwise, related words, rigid motions, rotation, center of rotation.